What's going on? Remember to subscribe. So today we're doing the fidget spinner challenge. So it's not 3 AM. We're not doing the 3 AM fidget spinner challenge, but it is 4:16. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be doing the fidget spinner. So here we go. We've got our fidget spinner. We're starting with the Batman one. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28 seconds, 28, now we got oil, 1, 2, 3, no that's enough, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, 31. Oil. 31. Now we've got our yellow fidget spinner. 1, 2, 3. Seriously, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 seconds. Said, I feel like it's gonna win. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 seconds. 13 seconds. Last one, like up on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. It's 1. I'm gonna follow it. Go. So the scores are on the fidget spinner: Batman 28, oil 31, yellow 6, ANZ 13, and 32, which was the Like Hot Wonders. So who came first? Like Hot Wonders first, yellow last, and oil second, and Batman third, ANZ second last. So yeah, guys. Remember to subscribe and peace.